Vanakkam. Everyone are using mobile phones and we often get a notification to update our softwares. But do we really know what are the features are getting updated in that particular software? This is applicable to both Android and iOS. In this video, you tend to know about some interesting features which are made available from iOS release 13 till the latest release of iOS 13.5.1 version. Welcome to A4E channel. My name is Ashok Raj. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, do subscribe our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The most recent iOS update 13.5 speeds up the access to the passcode field on devices with Face ID. The passcode field is automatically presented after swiping up from the bottom of the lock screen while wearing the face mask. In this video, the most amazing and interesting feature is about 3D maps. In 3D maps, there are three different views. First one, satellite view. Second one, look around. Third one, flyover and city to. Do not skip this video, else you will miss these amazing features. So watch the video till the end. First, we can see how to enable 3D satellite view in iMaps. In iMaps, open map settings, change from map to satellite view. On the top right hand corner, enable 3D option. Now the 3D view is enabled in iMaps. Initially, it will be your current location. You can zoom in, zoom out, turn right, left, and even rotate 360 degrees in satellite view. You would have used 2D maps, and if you are using 3D view for the first time, you can feel the difference nicely. I have shown London location in 3D satellite view. The similar way, you can search any country wherever 3D view is enabled and view it. As far as I know, the 3D view is not enabled in India location. It is enabled in countries like UK, US, UAE, Europe and Australia. After viewing the 3D view of various countries, let me know in the comment section about which country view is best for viewers in 3D satellite view. To watch the best look around view in 3D maps, continue to watch this video without skipping till the end. Next, quick access. When you slide the quick access toolbar, you can see options like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, brightness. If you need to select the Wi-Fi, long press the Wi-Fi button so that it will display the Wi-Fi's and you can connect the Wi-Fi device whichever you require without going into the settings option. The same way you can access the Bluetooth, brightness and all other options in the quick access toolbar. Next, app actions. When you long press any app icon, it will display various options it has and you can directly use it without going into settings. For example, if you long press contacts, it will show create new contacts and search for contacts. You can click any option and use it directly. Next, smart keyboard. To type a word, swipe from letter to letter without lifting your finger. This option was earlier available in Android and now it's available in iOS. Generally, it is called as swipe to type. Next feature, airdrop. We can transfer files between iOS devices using this airdrop feature. I am trying to transfer a file from my iPhone using this airdrop. Selected that file and selected the option airdrop. It displays the nearby iOS device iPad. I am selecting the iPad and I am getting an accept button in my iPad. After accepting it, it is asking for the location to save that file. I am renaming the same file to send this back from my iPad to iPhone. After renaming, I am selecting the same file and selecting the option airdrop to transfer this file. It displays the nearby iOS device iPhone. After selecting the iPhone, an accept button is pop up in my iPhone. After accepting it, the file is received in my iPhone. Next, long screenshot. You can save a web page as a PDF. For example, I am taking a screenshot of a web page. If you open the screenshot, there is an option called full page. If you select that, we can save this as a file. Once you go and open the file which you saved, it will be in a PDF format, and if you scroll down, the whole web page is saved in a PDF format. This is how the long screenshot works. Next, Smart Scanner. It is an inbuilt scanner in iPhone. When you open the files and select Browse, there is a 3 dot at top right corner. When you select that, there is an option called Scan Document. Once you click the scan document, the camera gets opened. When you show the document is scanned. It is a smart scanner, so once you show the document, it will be scanned. Next, we can see the best amazing feature of 3D maps, that is look around view. This 3D look around view is enabled for America location only. So I am selecting the New York location and showing the look around view. To view a location in look around view, we need to pin that location. Once you pin that location, when you double tap on it, the look around view will be enabled. So it is a view as if in a real time we are standing in that place and looking around in 360 degrees. The similar way I have shown other two locations in look around view. Like this, you can pin any location and view in look around view where you can see the same location in real time view. To watch the next feature of 3D maps, Flyover and City To, continue to watch this video without skipping till the end. Next, we can see how to create a professional email. If you open a new message in email, you can type in a message and all the options whichever present in Microsoft Word is now available inbuilt in the mail option. So you can change the font style, you can change the color and alignment, and whatever we can do in Word, we can do it in mail as it is, and send the mail as professional we need. It supports all type of attachment like photos, documents, and even drawing board. Next, gestures. First, we can see about scroll bar. Previously, in iPhone, if we need to scroll down a long web page, we need to swipe up and down. But now there is an inbuilt scroll bar as like in system, where we can click on the scroll bar and scroll in a single way up and down. Next, gestures, undo and redo. When you swipe 3 fingers from right to left, it is undo. The same way, when you swipe 3 fingers from left to right, it is redo. Next, file zip and unzip. There is an inbuilt option for zipping the file and unzipping the file as like in system. You can select a file and right click. You will see an compress option. When you select that, the file will be zipped. The same way, when you try to select the zipped file, you can see an option called uncompress where it will unzip the file. Next, dark mode. Till now, the iPhone has only invert colors option, but now the dark mode has been introduced where you can even reduce the brightness of your wallpaper while you selected the dark mode. And the dark mode can also be automated by scheduling a timelines where you can switch over from dark mode to normal mode and normal mode to dark mode. We have come to the end of the video, the last but not the least, Flyover and City To option. When you need to view in the flyover view, you need to pin in the location and select the flyover option so that it will be viewed as if we are flying on the top of the city. The similar way, when you need to select the City To option, you need to select the area which you need to view and select the option City To so that the entire city will be viewed as if we are flying on the top of the city. I have selected Paris location for this flyover and City To. The similar way, you can select any other region. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I am sure that at least one feature is new to you. The Tamil version of the same video is already being published in the channel. Do find the link in the description and icon. Thanks for watching this video. Comment the feature which you admire the most in this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If it is useful, share this video. If it is informative, do subscribe our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Vanakkam.